Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick thank you video. You would have seen from the title, I've hit 500 subscribers and I'm genuinely blown away. I actually cannot believe that I've hit 500 subscribers. I set out with a goal and I've absolutely smashed it. I can't even put that into words how that feels. It's massively rewarding for me, and it's the biggest boost ever to continue to do these videos for you guys, because that is why I do them. I do them for you guys to try and learn something out of, for you guys to have something to inspire you for your own projects, and for my personal log of what I'm doing. I can't, honestly, I'm lost for words. So when I hit 500 subscribers, I think I'm just over that now. I honestly could not believe it. You would have seen from the beginning of this video, this awesome little rocker cover that a good friend of mine, James, has made for me. And again, it proves that people are behind me with this, and it's one of the kindest things anyone's ever done for me. So thank you so much, James, because I honestly love that rocker cover. It's so cool. It flashes up every now and then when a new subscriber comes on, and it's the best feeling in the world. So I can't thank you guys enough. This is literally just a quick video to say thank you. I've got other goals I want to achieve with this channel and other things I want to bring you guys. Going on from that, going back to James, we also have his Mini Mayfair, hopefully gracing his channel very soon. It requires quite a bit of welding. So yes, it's another restoration, but it's a car that's got loads of history, like the Midas. It's his first car, and we're gonna crack on with it. So, but as you can see, very busy right now with 2 projects on the go and maintaining the others. But it will be coming to the channel very soon, as well as a Ford Mustang and a Land Rover 90. Stay tuned guys, and thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, because there's so much coming and I can't wait to show you all. Have a good one guys, catch you soon.